So today we'll understand images in HTML, how to embed an image in an HTML web page. So let's start. First of all, I will make the boilerplate. So let's name this images, title images in HTML. Okay. So we will use the tag HTML image tag to embed an image in an HTML web page. The tag is image. When you write img, that will be incorporated. So img, how to use image src, and there is a alt attribute also. I will first of all remove this img tag. Okay, then there are the two attributes which are included with which you have to use always. First is src attribute and second is alt attribute. What is src attribute? It includes the url of the attribute. This attribute is mandatory for the image element. This attribute is very necessary to, because it will consist of the link or the url where the image has been present in our folder in on the online where the image is present. For example, if I have image coding.jpg image, this is the image which I will use, and it consists in my folder. Okay, so in the image.html I will write the path of the image. So I have write the path of that image coding.jpg image. I have to paste the link or the URL of that image. When I will make reload the page, I will see that the image is showing in the browser. I can see the image is showing. But for example, if the image got wrong, for example, if the I paste the wrong URL or the wrong path of the image, for example, if I paste coding GA, then it is show no image because the path is wrong. So here the alt text will be used. Alt text will be used. It's the alternative text for the description of the image. For example, if the browser cannot able to display the image due to the network error or due to the wrong path or due to the very weak connection, the alt text will be get displayed on that image. For example, if I coding image, if I write coding image, and if I roll the page, reload the page, then I can see that since the path is wrong, so the alt text will be get displayed coding image. If the path get corrected, then the alt text will not get displayed and the image will get displayed. So alt text will be useful, very useful, to make the to make that the image was present if there was a network error, if there was a very slow connection, or such type of error occurs. There are also two more attributes related to it, is that width or height. Width includes the width of the image. So example, if I write 50%, then it will use the 50% of the page width. If I write 80%, it will use the 80% of the width of the image. Okay, there is also one more attribute, is height attribute. For example, if I write 10 pixel, means the height of the image should be 10 pixel. If I write 50%, then it will be the height of the page 50%. Okay, page height 100%, it will use the 100% of the page width, page height. Okay, so I write 100 pixel, for example, then the image will be of 100 pixel, and the if I write 30%, then the image will be of 30% of the page width, means from here to here, the 30% of this is this. So this is the image tag. The once again, the image tag will be used to display the image or to embed an image in HTML web page. Source, there is a two necessary attribute which are required: src, which includes the source, and alt tag, which requires to give a string. When the image is not reloaded, when there is slow connection, then the old tag will be get displayed. And the width and height are the two more attributes which are related to the image tag, which includes the width and height of the image. Okay, so that's all from the image tag.